So guys, here I am and this is Digha Beach and it's my first time visiting Digha Beach, and right now I'm walking towards the sea right now, and I want to say you something but I forgot. Yeah, that I did voiceover in this video because I thought if I speak there you will not able to hear, so I just took the videos and now I'm doing the voiceovers. And here I am, behind me there is my dad. Of course, without my dad, how would we can go there? How could we go there? He's like driving. hmm my English, avoid it, may be like a bit up and down, like upper niche, so just ignore that. Just like chodo yaar. So like there are so many people, you will say this is like corona time, you shouldn't go there, you should be safety, and we are all safe, don't worry, with mask. And they are my uncle and aunt. I took this video secretly. And here I am. I'm also going to the beach. First I thought I will not go, then I thought I should go because of for the video. And I know that I'm a kind of afraid of the water and like waves, so I thought not to go, but I ended up thinking I should go. So here I am, and this wave was so powerful that my jeans got wet. Of course, this normally the wave is powerful, and if you're near the wave, you will like your jeans will definitely got wet. And it the water was full of sandy. I feeling irritating that time, and a pigeon also. And of course, if I come here, then of course I'm going to do the shopping because I haven't shopped anything for like more than a month, I think. No, 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 no. That's a lie. Like a month at least. I haven't shopped anything. I want to buy a bag and so on things. So I bought that green one bag which my mom is holding on, and this case, and not very much thing, like of course this case and that bag was mine. And what else did I buy? I don't think I did I buy so many things? No, I just buy two or maybe three. No, I bought only two things. I didn't remember, but this is the shop. The like first time I'm attracted to a shop this much, like. And this bag, my mom bought this bag, yes. And what I was saying, that I was attracted to this shop. Oh my god, like look at everything is so pretty. I want to buy everything, but money matters, so I have to stop my greediness. Nothing else to do. Then I walked a little and I found these kitchens which are so cute. So I thought that I don't have a good kitchen, so I should make a lovey-dovey kitchen. And I made which one? I made RM because they said if you wrote double name, it cost 54 or something, and if you wrote like only single letter 4 or 5 like single name, you will like only 45. So I thought to like the, and my sister brought this BTS one. Actually, I gave her the idea because I wrote my kitchen like on my kitchen RM. Then I thought, why not BTS? So actually, I wanted to like BTS one. I want to that BTS one, but I bought already. So it's like if you already bought, you can't bought another one in our family. So I always like force my sister do this. I know she will use 1 week or something, then it's going to be mine. So this like my idea, like super duper idea, right? I got tired speaking so much. And this was like the entrance and all. Here I was like sitting, and like uncle was taking photograph of my parents, and I shooted them while this. I don't know, I thought it will like so good. I thought it, but I don't know what it's turned out. But I like it though. I like it. My mom, my dad, my uncle, my aunt, everyone. And here I am, the ugliest people. Sorry, ugliest bird. Okay, so where I am going now? There is a really good artwork there. I really like the artwork and all. This was like a dragon. I don't know what it refers to, but it's a dragon. Why it's a dragon? I don't know. Why there are in beach? Why there will be a dragon and why there will be a lion? But there is. So I just the artwork for like good looks. So I like it, and I'm trying this hairbands. I don't like hairbands, but because of the BTS, they like show such a cute thing, such a wear like such a good hairbands and all. I tried to do so. Maybe I look good, but ugliest bird don't look good for me. I'm not looking good at that. So yeah, and there are also so good design, or we can say artwork of this. Like you can see they really did it like good decorated. I really like this flower one. I want to bought this one, but already we have two. So mom said no need to buy, just keep it down. So yeah, this was I saw Jungkook was wearing this one on a fan signing. So I tried, but it looks so bad on me. So okay, and this wave was super powerful, and the people they what they are doing is actually when the wave is coming, they used to jump on that. I don't know why they are doing this, but it was like fun, I think. And the wave are really so powerful. Like it can take you away from that show to long, no, to heaven maybe. If you're not that, it's dangerous. But if you like be attention to that, give like safety, then it's good. If you not give like safety to that, said blah blah blah. And this is my kitchen. Loving RM, not only RM. It refers to two things: BTS RM and me. So of course BTS RM. Oh my gosh, my favorite member in BTS. All are my favorite. Who is your favorite member in BTS? Please tell. Please comment down who is your favorite BTS member. And I think that's it for the video. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day, beauties. Bye.